In this video, we're going to go over some really important notation for functions. So as we said before, for functions, a function is defined as a set of ordered pairs where for each x, where for each input, we only have one output. So let's go over the notation for this. So say, for example, so the notation for a function is like this, where we call it f of x. All right, you've probably seen this notation before, but now I'm going to explain what each of this means. All right, so the function is called f of x. And what that means is the x here, this is the input. All right, and now, so what's the output? Well, this f of x, this entire thing is called the output. Okay, once again, x is the input, and f of x is called the output. Now, commonly, we've probably called y as the output. So the way we probably write this is actually we say that y is equal to f of x, meaning since y is the output, it's equal to f of x, which we also call the output. All right? So just to clarify, x is the input and y is the output. So if I were to say draw a graph of this, oops, let me go there. So if I were to draw a graph of this, so what we would say is that this is the x, in other words, this is the inputs, and f of x here is the outputs. But again, we commonly call that y. So y is equal to f of x, so these are the set of outputs, and these are the set of inputs. So it's really, really important to keep that in mind. In the next example, we'll go over some examples of common functions you already know and how to find the outputs when I provide you with the inputs. See you in the next video.